please tell me this is working. I'm about to cut out. This is Gameplay 5 here. My record's been going out. I think it's because my computer's charging during this recording. So, hopefully it won't go anymore, but we're making Apple products. So, let's catch up to speed real quick. I think all these products right here, they're good. This is just decent. Why did I put all these in the same area? Because they're the exact same thing. Why, Apple? And then why is there so much in here? Because there's so many rebrands. Why? Why, Apple? Why? Are you making so many rebrands of iPads? Like, are you kidding me? So, we're heading down to iPhones. It's going to be a short video because, I did half of the ranking. Is that an iPad? Is that another iPad? Nope. Alright, we're making it fifth row now. Yo, welcome to join them. Yes. If I see the iPad, I'm going to say, is this iPhone 13 or 14? Alright. This is the, I think this is 7. Alright, 7's not in trash, but it was okay. What was this? I guess this was the iPhone 5. It was okay as well. Is that an iPad? Is that another iPad? Is that another iPad? Are you kidding me? Get in there. No one likes you. Why? This is like the iPhone 8. I want to say those white and wow, they good because I like the iPhone 8. Whoa. Okay. Is this iPhone 14? It's the same thing. And this video is all opinion based. All this is my opinion. Y'all have. It's okay if y'all have different opinions. I will actually see your opinions in the comments. But why did I so many people? Is that not? Okay. I just want to say, why is this so amazing? Apple, you did a good job on the fast phone. And that rebrand. I might go only go insane. Why so many rebrands? Another rebrand? Alright, wait, this phone is surprisingly an amazing Apple. This is a rebrand, are you kidding me? Go down there. Rebrand. Another rebrand. Oh my goodness. Please, that's another rebrand. Okay, you go. Bye. Alright, I think this was like the, not, 10. Bye. Oh my gosh, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna stop being a little nice to iPhones. Sorry about the background noise, it's just, I don't want to be mean. Don't be mean to Apple right now. gamer. Nope, I'm baby. Okay, nope. I can't do it with iPhone anymore. This is my opinion. I want to see y'all's opinions. If you agree with me, then somebody we brands are the same thing. We're so many iPads and watches and Alexas and iPhones and MacBooks, computers, watches, TVs, earbuds. Apple Vision Pro? This is go right here, too techie. It's basically a phone, but a VR on your head. That's the Apple Vision Pro. It's a phone on your head. You can get a phone for cheaper. They're all the same things. And so yeah, that's my opinion about the Apple Vision Pro. I mean, it's cool. It's a cool idea, but it's a lot of money. I don't know. It's $3,000 with $4,000. That's a lot. But anyway, this is gonna be today's I guess half tier list for Apple. Half tier list and tier list of iPhones for Apple. I might do a review on this on not on the iPhones but the rest of the products. We'll just have to see, but I hope you have a good day, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good midnight. This is Gabriel. If I sign out, peace.